Okay, before we start, welcome to Hasnain Tech Automation. But hold on, this isn't just another video. Today, something weird happened, something I can't explain. So, I decided to test something crazy, an AI that supposedly knows things about me before I even tell it. Sounds impossible, right? I type in the first question. Who am I? The screen loads for a second, then boom. It says my name. Okay, that's creepy. Maybe it's just pulling from public data. So I decide to go deeper. Tell me something about my past that I haven't mentioned online. A few seconds later, it spits out something that only a handful of people know. Wait, how? I start feeling uneasy. Okay, then, what do I fear the most? The AI responds instantly, and it's spot on. Chills. Literal chills. Maybe it's just good at guessing? So, I try something impossible. Predict what I'm about to do next. I lift my hand, planning to wave at the camera, and before I even move, "You're about to wave at the camera." No. Freaking way. I slam my laptop shut. Breathe. Is it reading my thoughts? Is it analyzing my behavior? I wait a few minutes, then open it again. Why do you know so much? The AI's response. You've told me more than you think. I freeze. Have I? Through my searches, my posts, my conversations? I type one last thing. Should I be scared of you? For the first time, the AI takes longer to respond. Then, just one word appears. Depends. And then, the screen shuts off. By itself.